It's quiz time again, and today's quiz gonna be from lesson 27 vocabulary. So let's begin. The first question here is what is cloud in Chinese? So we have A, 水, B, 云, C, 人, D, 天. So which one of them is correct here? Sui is water, Yun is cloud, Ren is people, and Tian is field. So the right answer for this question is B, Yun. The next question here, what is sun in Chinese? We have A, 太阳, B, 土, C, 天, D, 树. So I will give you some time to think first. Taiyang is sun, Tu is soil, Tian is sky, and Shu is tree. So the right answer for this question is A. Taiyang. Moving on to the next question. What is sky in Chinese? We have A. Ren, B. Tian, C. Tu, D. Tian. So which one of them is the right answer? Ren is people, Tian is field, Tu is soil, and Tian is sky. So the correct answer for this question is D. Tian. The next question here. What is water in Chinese? We have A. 树, B. 太阳, C. 水, D. 云. So let's try to guess first. So I will explain to you. 树 is tree, 太阳 is sun, 水 is water, and 云 is cloud. So water in Chinese is 水, 水. Moving on to the next question. What is tree in Chinese? We have A. 田, B. 太阳, C. 土, and D. 树. So let's think first. So 田 is field, 太阳 is sun, 土 is soil, and 树 is tree. So tree in Chinese is D. 树. The next question here. What is field in Chinese? So we have A. 云, B. 人, C. 田, and D. 水. So I will give you some time to think. So Yun is cloud, Ren is people, Tian is field, and Sui is water. So field in Chinese is C. Tian. The next question is, What is soil in Chinese? We have A. 水 B. 土 C. 人 and D. 太阳 So I will give you some time to think. So 水 is water, 土 is soil, 人 is people, and 太阳 is sun. Soil in Chinese is obviously B. 土 Moving on to the next question. What is people in Chinese? So we have A. 人 B. 天 C. 太阳 and D. 云 So which one of them is true here? I will explain it to you. 人 is people, 天 is field, 太阳 is sun, and 云 is cloud. So the right answer for this question is A. 人 So that's all for today's quiz. It was fun, right? And this quiz is quite easy, right? I bet that you guys got the correct answer for all these questions. Good job, guys. I will see you on our next lesson.